your dog will get rid of bad breath with these 5 simple methods. Today, I want to share with you the causes of bad breath in your dog and how you can get rid of it in a simple way that can be done right at home. Bad breath is a very common problem in dogs, especially when they are 2 years old. The cause of bad breath is mostly due to us, because you feed your dog only soft foods like pâté, or a diet similar to that of humans with only rice and meat, but never let them chew bones, or never eat hard foods like dry food or chew sticks. Because they do not chew hard foods regularly, their teeth will form plaque very quickly, and this plaque will gradually accumulate and become tartar, creating conditions for bacteria in the mouth to grow and eventually cause bad breath. More serious problems can also occur when plaque accumulates for a long time, which is the condition of the gums receding. When the gums recede, the teeth become weak and loose, causing the teeth to fall out. This is what causes your dog to lose teeth at a very young age. And a lot of tartar can also cause periodontal disease, making our dog's gums red and swollen. Then it will hurt when chewing and lead to it eating less. Many dogs drool a lot at the corners of their mouths, and it can lead to malnutrition. Dogs have been gnawing on bones for thousands of years. You are afraid of choking, so you do not dare to let your dog chew on bones, and the consequence is that we want to hug our dog for a bit, but its breath is so bad that we cannot bear it and have to put it down. It is thanks to chewing on bones that it can clean its teeth, just like we brush our teeth every day. If you do not let your dog chew on bones and do not brush its teeth, it will soon form plaque. That is because we use a diet that is not really suitable for dogs in the wild, and you need to change your diet. That is the most effective way that I want to share. This is the least expensive way, and it is also a very effective way to reduce bad breath. For young pets, changing from soft food to dry food or chewing bones is very easy. But for those who have been used to soft food for a long time, changing to dry food requires patience and discipline. First, mix a small amount of dry food into your dog's current diet. After a few days, gradually increase the amount. Doing so will help your dog get used to the taste of dry food, and gradually switch to 1 meal of meat and 1 meal of dry food. You should leave that dry food as the last meal of the day. At night, when oral bacteria grow very strongly, we feed it dry food, which will reduce bad breath and tartar formation the next day. In addition to eating dry food, we should still encourage our dogs to gnaw on bones to help reduce bad breath and clean their teeth naturally. When using bones, we should prioritize pork bones and beef bones. Avoid chicken bones or poultry bones because these bones are very easy to break, and they form very sharp pieces that can cause choking or damage the digestive tract. For beef bones and pork bones, you should choose the spine bone or rib bone. It has delicious meat for the dog to eat to make it delicious, and also has bones for our dog to gnaw on to clean its teeth. And if you are worried about the problem of choking on bones, we have the second solution, using a tooth cleaning stick. Those tooth cleaning sticks not only remove plaque, reduce bad breath, but also provide some useful substances for the body. For example, some types provide fiber, some types provide calcium, some types provide protein and phosphorus. Try different types of teething sticks to find out which one your dog likes best. You can refer to the type of teething stick that I have shown on this screen. It is a French teething stick, and it is specially designed to clean your dog's teeth. The third method. If you ask me which method helps your dog clean its teeth the fastest and reduce bad breath the fastest, I have to confirm that brushing your dog's teeth is the best method. But it is the method that takes the most time and requires you to be the most patient to create a habit for your pet. You should use a specialized toothbrush to brush your dog's teeth, and also use toothpaste for dogs, not human toothpaste, because human toothpaste contains fluoride and xylitol, which can cause poisoning if swallowed. The first few days you brush your dog's teeth, don't try to brush too much. We only need to brush a little bit on the front teeth so that it gets used to the habit of having something touch its teeth. Every time we finish brushing its teeth, we have to scratch its head, praise it, and reward it with delicious food to encourage it to like having its teeth brushed. After a few days, we continued to brush deep inside so that we can brush all the molars and finally brush the inside of the teeth. There is a little tip for you that without this toothbrush, we can still brush the dog's teeth. After the dog's meal, we take a thin towel or gauze, wrap it around the tip of our finger, and then dip it in saline to wipe the dog's teeth. This method is also very effective and is not much worse than using toothpaste. Measure number 4 is to use mouthwash. This will reduce bad breath immediately and soothe the gingivitis, but it is not a method that brings long-term effects like brushing teeth or changing the diet. This method is only quick and immediate. You should use this method in combination with other methods such as changing the diet and brushing teeth for better results. For dogs that have a sore mouth and bad breath, drooling a lot, you should use this method. And that mouthwash has 2 lines. One line is mixed with water for the dog to drink naturally. The second line is that we will drop directly into the mouth. I appreciate the line that drops into the mouth because it will be more effective than mixing it with drinking water. If the plaque is too much and the methods I listed above are no longer effective, then the 5th method will be the savior. That is, you take your pet to the vet to have their teeth cleaned. This process must be done by a doctor because your dog will have to be anesthetized. The process of removing teeth to be safe requires anesthesia. After removing tartar, some dogs may need to take additional medication to treat periodontitis, and you must change your diet to ensure that the plaque does not recur. Bad breath in pets is a very common problem. However, you can completely control it if you apply the right preventive measures and oral care techniques. According to many studies, it has been proven that dogs with good oral health are not only comfortable, happier, but can even increase their lifespan. It is estimated that dogs with good oral health care have an average lifespan of 2 years longer than dogs without oral health care. And if you find this video useful, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more useful information, helping you to take care of your pets at home like a professional. See you in the next videos.
Thank you for visiting. We'll see you next time. Oh!